Hello, in front of me I've got Parkside Shredder. In this video I'll show you how to remove blockages. In the beginning, ensure that the power cable is disconnected from main supply. Next, release housing lock. Tilt the front section of the shredder housing towards, or you can remove the section completely. Next, you've got free access to the blades, and now you can remove blockages. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.